Abusiamfo, yesi aban we person kan nipa dasani na numa sem emfanhye na num. Papa ko London, wako showcase the same thing today. Ewo London. Adentia. Oldman bi a wa ye adwuma ko pension. Ewo London. Just wanted to ask a simple question and a simple recommendation to his president. Papa ni tina ye se na ote London, se nko te Ghana nke ne nko da ni bini ho. Nko da ho, nka wa ye le woni bini ho. Ye nko nko ti asema papa ne kan ye and see how he was treated because he was saying what they could not sustain. Tie.
Is Ade Sawyer. I'm retired now, but I remain a community activist. I have some concerns too, but I would ask one question and I'll let the president take the concerns away. I'm happy that the High Commissioner has invited us to this meeting to come and engage with the leader of our country. I've listened to some of the ministers, and whilst it looks like the metrics are going in the right direction, the optics do not look very good. Every year there's perennial flooding. We have not been able to solve that problem in the city of Accra, our main city. Every weekend we see on TikTok the ministers at parties, instead of being with their constituents, they are talking to each other, blowing time. It does not look good, Mr. President. Please tell them that at weekends, they should go back to their constituents and find out what it is that the people of Ghana need.
Thank you very much for your question.
And now my concern. Up to last week, we had a perfectly legal system that criminalized people with homosexuals. We have now decided that we are bringing on another law, which is a total distraction.
Uncle, please come to your question.
The concern is that
we're running out of time.
Everywhere you go from now,
please ask your
ask
question.
you about the LGBT bill and why we needed it.
Thank you very much.
I wish you well.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you.
They don't want people to talk. They don't want people to talk. Even in London, a country of the Queen and the King of today, people cannot freely express themselves and say what they actually think about their country to their president, because se can the enye papa ne da obechi watum but ye wo landing tino ye ma won kasa. Stop talking. Look at how they maltreated this man. Was Abraham Maino Obisa very intelligent question. Why do we need to criminalize trumu? The entire was saying kese eye ade bia wo ya ye beche watum anase na obi ene ne kunu bema bia ware ni be ni nwa bema na one da dan mu a ode baba beche so one bema na da na. So the question was very, very intelligent and very sensible that Mahama was supposed to explain to Ghanaians. But nkrofo we ama papa na ankasa. Ya mana ankasa because omo ankasa ni mu se sa dede na omo ye na Akufo Addo abre so di tu no frɛ konwa so nanado na musigina fo anase na chidifo yewura Dr. Bawumia amtimama medi president no enkrofo we nim say saa dede na omo ye no oman mu say yemfa mra say be criminalize media for omo kasa fa trumu for ho o energy for meba so mbe support o trumu for na asefo no yemfa mra say yentumi nye saa de no omo nim say na ye dede kwanyansa nim. So the question was very uncomfortable for the president. But they don't understand where the man wanted to get to. People don't understand. But the president and the people know more leaders or more minum no. I know more hobby no. They know said the man was pointing to a very sensitive questioner that could have exposed Mahama completely. So what they have to do is to cut him from net. Me say papa wa ye lucky so te London. Se nkoti Ghana man mu anke achena tum. Say wa ye disrespectful. Wa bisa asema any kwan so bisa the king of Gonja. The mafia king of Gonja. The state capturing ideology leader. Wa bisa no question ni kwan se nko bisa no. Pachoti mi asi ye pa. Papa no waye lucky pa say nye Ghana man mu not here. Look at how they treated the man. But Papa we onam Ghana man mu a sebio amamfo no bebre no adwene no nya adwuma. Na omo hu na omo sachire na omo pese omo ni ntwa picture na omo ya ade a na momra because he knows say some of them among that 6 million kwasiafo no nobody will ask a sensible question. So he allowed them to come close to him. And in there be Omokameti and Huase say, and this Yamanyokono, they are not after intellectuals, they are just after people. Sebi omunim omudini etre, omunim how to say good morning, eka, and omohom. Because they want people that will not think beyond them, that will not think beyond the box, people that will allow themselves to be fooled completely like this. It's not the course who London any mguasie ministers or moti TikTok or mudin kwa asem London for you na so mo hwe omo. Ye kobisa Mahama say we should not talk about that. Mahama say we should not ask him questions, sir. Sabio eye against his initiatives. Na asem na papa ni bisa ye no ye to aso ne akohwa. Sabombe kaya NDC force said the tebia yura na nado danko akufuado enkosan emra about